Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Previously, we introduced you to Copilot, and today let's concentrate on using Copilot with Microsoft Excel. To access Copilot in Excel, simply click on the icon on the main menu bar. Notice it opens a chat window offering several suggestions, including suggesting a formula column, summarizing data using charts or pivot tables, applying conditional formatting, and summing up values in your spreadsheet. Of course, you can also simply ask questions in the prompt window at the bottom. I have some examples we'll scroll through and check the results. First, I asked it to summarize using a chart, which it did, and it created a nice little chart here showing the totals of each region within my spreadsheet. I then asked it to summarize data at the bottom of each column, which it also did very easily. Lastly, I asked it to create a pivot table, and it did that by ordering my data with the units by order date. There are many other operations you can perform with Copilot, and the level of detail you provide in the prompt will sort of dictate the accuracy and the sophistication of the result. I suggest you take some time. Test out Copilot with Excel as a nice time-saving tool. Next month, our tech tip will highlight additional productivity steps to help you be more efficient. So stay tuned.